All right, ladies, this is for you. If you've ever wondered what it's like to vibe code and build an app from scratch, join me starting tomorrow because I am going through my very first hackathon. Yes, it starts tomorrow. It's an 8-day hackathon solely for women. There are women from all over the world participating in this 8-day hackathon. And we're going to go create a project, an app that from concept to the finish line with a working MVP that will be judged by not only our peers, but some heavy hitters in this automation and vibe coding workspace. So we're going to build something real estate related. So if you're into real estate, particularly land development, this is going to be of interest to you. Hit the follow below. I'm going to be posting over the next 8 days. We're going to walk through the building platforms, Claude Code, Lovable, Vercel, Supabase for my backend database, even the new Claude design to help create my user interface and make sure that it is a great looking program on the front end and not only works on the back end. So I'm going to fail. I'm going to make mistakes. I'm going to look silly doing this because while I've used Claude Code, I'm still learning, and the whole point of me putting it out there into the world is that you see me fail and that you are able to embrace that I, with no coding experience, am going to get to the finish line with a finished product, a finished app that can be monetized and can be invested, and we're going to test it to see if there's a market out there. So join me tomorrow. Especially if you're older. I'm 55, so this is for you. If you're worried about AI and automation and what it's doing to your job, your retirement, maybe you're interested in a side hustle and want to know how hard is this, there's a learning curve like with anything, but as long as you've got grit and a little determination, you're going to get through it like I do. So join me tomorrow. Hit follow me, posting on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, all of the usuals, and walk through this process with me so that you can see if it's something that you are interested in and build an app on your own that you can start to make money and change your world. So we'll see you starting tomorrow.